Picture this. You're driving down the highway at 70 miles per hour. It's raining. Traffic suddenly stops ahead. You slam on the brakes. And in that split second, your life depends on 4 small patches of rubber. Each one about the size of your hand. That's it. That's all that stands between you and a catastrophe. Now here's the problem. Most people walk into a tire shop and think they're all buying the same thing. Black rubber circles, same size, same shape, same basic function. They look at the price tag. They look at what's on sale. And they drive away thinking they made a smart choice. But here's what nobody tells you. Tires are not a commodity. They are not all built the same. And the brand you choose can be the difference between walking away from an accident and not walking away at all. Because your tires are the only part of your car that actually touches the road. Every turn, every stop, every emergency maneuver. And yet, the average American spends more time researching which smartphone to buy than which tires to put on their car. Today, we're going to change that. Not just another top 10 list, but a deep look at what actually separates the best from the rest. But by showing you exactly why only a handful of tire brands truly dominate the American market. Because once you understand how this industry really works, you'll never look at tire shopping the same way again. Section 1. What actually makes a tire brand top tier? Let's start with a question most people never ask. What does premium tire brand actually mean? Most people think it's simple. Better rubber, better grip, higher price tag. But that's only scratching the surface. A truly elite tire brand has to win in 4 completely different battles at the same time. First, engineering and testing. They need world-class facilities and the ability to simulate extreme conditions. Second, consistency and quality control. Anyone can make one good tire. Elite brands make millions of identical tires with the same performance every single time. Third, real-world performance across millions of vehicles. Can your tire perform on a truck in Arizona summer heat and a sedan in Minnesota winter snow? Fourth, long-term durability. Not just how it performs fresh out of the factory, but 3 years later when it's half worn. This is where most tire brands completely fall apart. Some brands can engineer a tire with incredible grip, but it wears out in 20,000 miles. Some can build a tire that lasts forever, but it's dangerous in the rain. The brands that dominate America are the ones that can balance all 4 battles simultaneously. And that's why only a few names consistently rise to the top. Michelin, Goodyear, Continental, Bridgestone, Pirelli, Yokohama, Hankook. Not because of flashy marketing, but because of engineering systems, massive testing infrastructure, and decades of data. Section 2. Why most tire brands never reach this level. Here's something that will blow your mind. Designing a tire is exponentially harder than most people realize. You're trying to simultaneously optimize for wet grip, dry grip, cold weather performance, road noise, ride comfort, rolling resistance, tread wear, heat resistance, and high-speed stability. And here's the killer part. Every single change you make improves one variable and makes another one worse. Add more grip? You sacrifice tread life. Improve comfort? You lose steering response. Top-tier tire brands spend hundreds of millions of dollars every year just on compound research, testing facilities, and computer simulation. They run extensive programs including long-term fleet testing, extreme temperature testing, high-speed endurance testing, and wet braking tests. Most smaller tire brands simply cannot afford this level of investment. That's why the tire market naturally concentrates around a few massive global players. Now let's break down what makes each of these dominant brands different. Michelin, the long game company. Michelin doesn't try to win with flash. They win by playing the long game. Their entire design philosophy can be summed up in one sentence. A tire should still be good when it's half worn. Most tires perform their best when they're brand new. But Michelin engineers their tire compounds to maintain consistent performance as the tire wears down over time. That's why models like the Defender 2, Cross Climate 2, and Pilot Sport series have legendary reputations. They're not just good in magazine tests. They're still good 3 years and 30,000 miles later. That's why Consumer Reports consistently ranks them at the top. That's why fleet operators choose them. Yes, Michelin tires are expensive upfront, but you're not paying for marketing hype. You're paying for predictability and extended lifespan. Goodyear, the trust and scale giant. Goodyear operates differently. They win because of massive real-world data, huge US presence, and enormous product range. Goodyear tires are on family sedans, SUVs, pickup trucks, police vehicles, and commercial fleets. They see every type of abuse, every climate condition, every driving style imaginable. That feedback loop is incredibly valuable. Lines like the Assurance Weather, Ready and Wrangler series exist because Goodyear designed specifically for real American driving conditions. Goodyear may not always score the absolute highest in any single metric, but they are consistently good across all of them. And for most drivers, that consistency is exactly what they need. Continental, the wet safety specialist. If there's one area where Continental has built an unshakable reputation, it's wet weather performance. Rain-related accidents are one of the biggest dangers in everyday driving. Continental invests heavily in wet braking, water evacuation channel design, and stability on slick surfaces. That's why tires like the Extreme Contact DWS06 Plus consistently score at the very top in rain tests. They also focus intensely on low noise levels and ride comfort. That's why you see Continental on so many European luxury vehicles. Continental's philosophy is straightforward. Prevent the accident before you ever need to rely on your car's crash safety systems. Bridgestone, the OEM and comfort powerhouse. Bridgestone plays a different strategic game. They are deeply embedded in the original equipment manufacturer world. If you've driven a Toyota, Honda, Lexus, or Nissan, you've likely experienced Bridgestone tires from the factory. They specialize in qualities that matter for daily driving. Predictable behavior with no surprises, excellent ride comfort, stability at highway speeds, low noise that doesn't fatigue you on long drives. Product lines like Turanza, Weatherpeak, and Dueler are engineered to make cars feel refined and effortless to live with. Bridgestone isn't trying to be dramatic. They're trying to be invisibly, effortlessly good. Pirelli, the performance identity brand. Pirelli comes from a completely different world. Their DNA is rooted in performance driving, racing heritage, and sports cars. They design tires thinking about steering feel, turn-in response, and high-speed stability. That's why you see Pirelli on BMW M cars, Mercedes AMG models, and Porsche sports cars. Tires like the P0 are engineered to make a car feel sharper and more connected. You usually trade a bit of ride comfort for that increased engagement. And for enthusiast drivers, that's exactly the trade-off they want. Yokohama, the quietly smart engineer. Yokohama doesn't make a lot of noise. They just quietly execute extremely well. They focus heavily on low rolling resistance for better fuel economy, smooth ride comfort, and balanced performance. Their Avid and Geolander lines are incredibly popular with commuters and crossover owners. They're especially good at making tires that feel smooth, run quietly, and don't hurt your fuel economy. Yokohama isn't trying to beat Michelin at longevity or Pirelli at sportiness. They're trying to be the smart, efficient, well-balanced choice. Hankook, the fastest riser. Hankook is the most interesting brand in this conversation. They're moving up the market faster than almost anyone else. They're now original equipment suppliers for Tesla, Hyundai, Kia, and select BMW models. They're investing heavily in research and development and modern testing facilities. And they're pricing themselves below Michelin and Continental, but significantly above budget brands. That makes them extremely attractive to younger buyers, electric vehicle owners, and value-conscious drivers who still want quality. Hankook is not a budget brand anymore. They are a strategic challenger, and they're gaining ground fast. Section 3. A short warning about cheap tires. Let's address this clearly. Not all inexpensive tires are unsafe, but cheap, unknown brands often cut costs in places you cannot see. Weaker internal components, simpler rubber compounds, minimal testing, inconsistent quality control. They might look fine and even drive fine under normal conditions. But in emergency braking, heavy rain, extreme heat, or high-speed driving, that's where safety margins matter most. Saving money on tires often means accepting smaller safety margins in the moments that matter most. That's not a smart trade. Section 4. How you should actually choose. Here's the right framework. Drive a lot? Choose Michelin or Continental for durability. Want comfort and quiet? Look at Bridgestone or Yokohama. Want sharp handling? Pirelli is your answer. Want a proven all-rounder? Goodyear delivers reliability. Want smart value with modern tech? Hankook offers that balance. There is no single best tire for everyone. There is only the best tire for your specific usage and driving style. These 7 brands dominate the American tire market for one fundamental reason. They don't just sell tires, they sell predictable behavior, extensively tested engineering, and long-term trust. Your engine has hundreds of parts. Your brakes have dozens of parts. But your tires are the final decision maker in every single emergency situation. Don't treat them like a commodity. Treat them like the critical safety equipment they actually are. If this video helped you think differently about tire shopping, hit that subscribe button. And drop a comment telling me what tires you're currently running. Drive safe out there. And I'll see you in the next one.